Welcome to the Traveling Traders. My name is Paul. I'm an old financial advisor and crypto and futures trader since 2010, and now I'm doing this YouTube thing. So please give me a like and a follow. If I've earned your subscription today, I will appreciate it. This is my website, The Traveling Traders. I have a free video course that's going to describe in detail the sort of analysis that I do on the markets, and each day I'll be trying to post a bit of an analysis of where I see the market going. Now, if you had followed my newsletter on Friday, the 23rd of February, you would have made bank on the markets, the futures markets, when I was trading. And so I hope you can enjoy those videos with me, because it takes a lot of effort, and I don't know, I'm just doing this stuff for free. And so have a look what happened. The market just screamed down, and just try to correlate all of this with the newsletter that I put out on Friday and to see how you go. Now, I am looking for reasons to be bearish again using Elliott Wave theory to try to determine the direction of where the market is going. If I look at this price action now, today, since the close of last Friday, it's kind of bouncing around. It doesn't look like much of an Elliott Wave sequence, but I predict it's very likely that we're starting to want to go down again and retest those lows. Why? Well, just have a look at where we are sitting. The markets, when you see a strong move down like this, the market does like to retrace to about the 38.2% Fibonacci of that move, and we're coming off of it really darn closely, aren't we? And so it's looking good after such a correction higher in the face of such a strong move down. There's good reasons to believe that we want to see a setup on the chart to try to sell this thing back down. Now, Elliott waves. Let's have a look at where we're sitting on the 5-minute chart to try to make some predictions. As we sit here now, this is live, and so I want to see where the market is going. If this is wave 1, we know that wave 2 likes to correct to the 61 and 50% retracement of wave 1, and it's done so beautifully. And so once we see that, now we can start setting some targets, which we use our Fibonacci projection tool, and we can see now. Let me just try to do this a little bit more smartly to get it out of the way for you. And we can see that price has gotten to there beautifully, and it's starting to retrace back up. So we know that we are dealing with a wave 1, oopsie, not there, that's 0, 1, 2, 3 wave sequence, which I believe is the makings of a wave down. Now, if you want to trade this thing, what do we do from here? Well, I've got some handy trend lines. Let me redo them. If you connect the low of wave 1 to the low of wave 3, and you copy and paste that to the high of wave 2, I want to see some confluence between this level of resistance coming down and the 38% level of that wave 3, and we are starting to get right there. If we're going to see some candles and some resistance coming up here, this would be a very nice way to try to get some trades going back down. Now, to trade it right now, you will need to have a bit of cojones, some stones, right, to be able to take it right now. What I would like to see first, before I get in on this, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, a correction up, because this is now the big wave 1 going down, and it corrects up to a wave 2, and then when I start seeing a sell from that point, I can start making some targets based on the Elliott Wave theory, and I will sell that back down for some nice risk reward on that trade. So let's see how the day develops. I'm going to post this now and see how right or wrong I may be. Look me up on the website. Happy to hear from you guys, answer any questions you may have. Thanks and take care.